Hey out there YouTube, how we doing today? Well, that's right. Today's a very special video. It's the 1-year anniversary of the PMP Prep Box. Now stay tuned after we roll that intro, because we got a couple special things for you today. Alright guys, thank you so much for staying past that intro. Now for today's video, we're going to do things a little different, alright? Seeing how it is the 1-year anniversary of the Prep Box, first of all, we're going to have a special guest on the channel today. Come here. Come here. We got the Cuteness Factor back today. You want to say hi?
Hi.
Say hi, YouTube.
Hi, YouTube.
Can you say happy birthday, PMP?
Happy birthday.
PMP?
PMP.
Say happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
Okay, now go away for a sec. I'll get you back over here in a moment, okay? Alright, so first of all, Jason, you wanted hot women? Nothing beats that little cute stuff that was right here. Now, for those of you unfamiliar with the PMP Prep Box, basically it's a monthly subscription box that has one level. When he started out 12 months ago, there was 2, but sales of level 1 were not there, so he scrapped. Of course, those of you familiar with my channel, this ain't gonna be a surprise. Camera took a dump. So we're gonna back it up a moment. And if this sounds like I just said it, forgive me because the camera took a dump. I don't know where it stopped. But the PMP Prep Box has one level, all right? It's flat $100 a month and whatever in shipping. Now, he used to have 2 levels, level 1, level 2, but level 1 sales weren't really doing anything. Not a lot of people were interested, so he scrapped it in order to bring better gear to the box. Now, granted, this month's box is not a box, it's an envelope. And I will tell you, for a 1-year box, it's got a lower number than what you're going to think, but there's good gear in here. Basically, there's 3 pieces of gear. One of them is a free giveaway, and there's 2 bits that you got with this box. Now, I want to say this. I have brought every PMP box, prep box to the channel. All right? A year ago when he told me he was going to be doing this stuff, I kind of went, all right, interesting. You're going to take on the big boys. Let's see what you can do. An item he featured in his first box, and I'm going to leave a link up here to every single freaking box that he's ever done, all right? An item in his first box has now made its way into Battle Box. So the big names are looking at him and going, wow, if he's getting that gear, what can we bring? Seriously, it's the coffee wick fire starters. BattleBox just put him in this month's box after Jason put him in one of his boxes 11 months ago. Now, enough patting him on the back and going, way to go, Jason. Brother, I am damn proud of you. You've lasted a year where lots of other subscription boxes have kind of shit the bed. Let's kind of see what's in here, okay? Now, I got to give Jason a little bit of crap. Murphy's Law and all. He was in such a rush to get this box out after last month's fiasco with the post office, which, thank you, brother. Honestly, thank you. I appreciate having this gear early because there's one item in here. God, I've been dying to get. I just never pulled the trigger on it. He accidentally forgot to send my, put my shipping list in there. But I know all the items are in there because I've already bothered him and just double checked stuff. And I wanted to get this video filmed because, honestly, I'm excited. It's a 1-year anniversary. So let's start with the simple stuff, okay? Some of you may remember a couple months ago, we got something from Rogan Tools, which was exclusive just to the PMP Prep Box. Well, this month, Rogan Tools comes back. What, baby?
Nothing.
Okay, we'll get you involved in just a moment, okay?
Okay.
And if I understand this correctly, this one, and hopefully you can see like this right in here with the little handle so it looks more like a knife. This one's one of their top-end models. Okay, and as far as I know, there's not any limited numbers on there like the last one. So hopefully you can see that, it serves multiple purposes, and it's going to help with people stop batoning with their knives and breaking pretty cool knives. Now, just like with the last one, I know I saw it in here, so forgive me. You get a little S-beaner so you can clip it to your molly gear if you want to. And I know there's people out there who make Kydex sheaths. Come here. Oh, crap. That was supposed to be for the other one. Come here. You want to show the next item?
Yep.
All right. Yeah. Can you hold this up so the camera can see it?
Yes.
The next item up, ooh, here, move your fingers so they can see that. That's right, it's from Gerber. I wonder if they can see what that is. That's right, it's the Gerber center drive. Want to help me open this?
Yeah.
Okay, we pull that out. Now we open that up. All right. Now, as they usually do, that's the usual propaganda and California crap saying, hey, guess what? This metal may cause cancer.
More in there.
I know, huh?
Can I help get them out?
Okay. Hold on. Hold that. Hold that. Not yet. We're not going to show that yet. Don't show that yet. No. All right. Comes with a pretty cool belt sheath. You can either do it scout carry. Hopefully you can see that. Scout carry or your traditional up and down. All right. It just looks like your traditional like little nylon sheath. Honestly, I'm probably going to get a Kydex one made for this just because that's me. Oh man, I simply love.
What?
Daddy loves Gerbers. Because these things are awesome. Got the little screwdriver on the back. And this is what I think is really, really cool. I'm going to break this down in a later video and show you all the fun stuff in here. All right, now you can show that. Hold it up. It came with a bunch of screwdriver bit attachments. So, man, Jason really hooked this one up. And in case you're wondering,
Can I try?
little slide mechanism right there. Helps you open it.
Can I try?
Oh, cool. The wire cutters, I don't know if you can see that too well right there. That little screw nut, they are replaceable.
Can I try?
Sure, here, give me that. What do you think of that?
Cool.
Isn't that cool?
Yep.
All right, let Daddy see that. Hold on, let Daddy see that. Now, we're going to go on to the last item. Hey.
Oh.
Okay, hold on. Now, hold that up. All right, now turn it around. You got to turn it around kind of like this, okay? Basically, Grimm Workshop, they make really, really cool survival dog tag kind of stuff. All right, go on, go play. You can't have those bubbles yet. I need that for a moment. And Jason, I guess, was able to work out a deal with them. So inside of your box, you're going to get a little code on the back of a card just like this that's going to get you a free dog tag. I think it's friggin' awesome. A bigger name company, Grimm Workshop, is working with the guy and giving away free product in his year-long box. Well, it's going to be his year anniversary box. So I think that is friggin' awesome. I know. Lots of you out there going, what, just 2 items in a box?
Daddy, there's more than
No, that one belongs to something else, baby. I know, you're going 2 items, but the dollar value on these things and the everyday usage carry, I think it's phenomenal. All right? Yeah, I sit and go, wow, a repeat item already from Rogan Tools, but this is their top of the line. And the other one you got is exclusive just to the Prep Box. Then you got Gerber Center Drive, which I understand, all right? Before you start booing, hissing, and screaming and yelling, Gerber has mixed results from mixed stuff. I get it. Oh, and oh, by the way, the sheath does have a little spot for your bits to go in.
And my baby bubbles.
So, oh, got the baby bubbles? Cool.
Yeah.
But the center drive is awesome. All right, I like the center drive a lot more than I do the Gerber suspension, and I have been carrying the Gerber suspension forever and a flippin' day. So, I know that some stuff with the center drive has had problems before.
I popped one very loud.
Good job. All right. So, we'll see how that goes. But here's the fun part, all right? This video is a little crazy. And yeah, I am a little bit hyper for this because I've been wanting one of these for a very, very long time. I just never pulled the trigger on one because I always stayed with my suspension. So thank you, Jason, for this. That's a perfect, how can we say, it's a perfect birthday gift. Even though it's not my birthday, it's PMP's birthday. Well, the Prep Box birthday. But here we go, guys. This is the most important part of the video. You ready?
Yes.
You ready?
Yes.
All right, come here.
I popped another one very loud.
Way to go. Now here, let me see your hands. I need this for a second. Okay, say, we want your questions, comments, love, anger, hatred, whatever. Where are we going to want it? Down below in the comment section. You know I'm going to get back with you, okay? Now, was that fun? Good job. You'll get it down for the next one, okay, baby girl? All right. Grab your bubbles. Okay. Now, if you're a first-time viewer of the channel, man, you picked a great box. I should say a great video to do with this box. All right? I want to thank you from the bottom of my heart for checking this one out. Now, for you guys who've been long-time viewers, and maybe even first-time viewers, look down below. I believe it's going to be in that corner right there. All right? Going to be a little channel symbol popping up. I should say it's big. Man, click on that thing, go right to subscribe for me. All right? You're going to feel better about yourself. We're getting closer to a big number. That way we can bring a different prize pack to the channel and give you, my incredible viewers, some pretty cool stuff. Now, after you've gone ahead and clicked subscribe, please make sure you click that bell icon. Why? Because it's going to notify you every single time that I upload a brand new video. Now, speaking of videos, two are going to be popping up. I think it's going to be on that side of the screen. I don't know why. I think it's that side. If not, who cares? They're going to be two on there somewhere. Either that side or that side. Those are going to be videos that YouTube is going to select from my catalog that they think are going to be a great viewing experience for you. But there we go, guys. The 1 year anniversary, the 12th PMP Prep Box that I have brought to the channel. Jason, happy birthday to your company, man. You make an incredible product. You've got my money. You've got my support. Been with you for a year. I ain't going nowhere, brother. Thank everybody out there for watching this video. And I hope you have a great one.